In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Whop account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect as you confirm the deletion. I'll keep the instructions clear and straightforward so you can follow along confidently. We'll begin on the Whop homepage. Once you're signed in and looking at the main feed, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your avatar or your initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is the quickest way to reach your personal settings. In the menu that appears, look for the gear icon. The gear is the universal symbol for settings, and clicking it will take you into your account's configuration area. If your window is small, you may see compact labels or icons, but the gear will still be present. Just hover to confirm it says Settings if you're unsure. Inside Settings, you'll be navigating to Account Security. Depending on the layout you see, you might first land on a General Settings page. That's perfectly fine. From there, find and select Account Security. This section is where Whop groups important controls related to your identity, safety, and account lifecycle actions. Once you're in the Account Security screen, look for the option labeled Delete Account. When you click it, Whop will display a confirmation prompt. This is designed to prevent accidental deletions. You'll be asked to type the word delete to confirm you truly want to proceed. Type it exactly as shown, then confirm the action. Before you complete that confirmation, it's helpful to understand what happens next. Deleting your account will remove your access to your profile and connected areas, and you'll be signed out across devices. This process is intended to be final, so treat it as permanent. If the page takes a moment after you confirm, give it a little time. Background checks and confirmations may briefly delay the final screen. If you don't immediately see the account security option, scroll within the settings sidebar or check the tabs along the top. Interface updates can shift where items appear, but the label will remain Account Security. If a warning or error appears during the final confirmation, a quick refresh of the page and repeating the same steps typically resolves it. That's all there is to it. Start at home, open your profile menu in the top right, click the gear to enter settings, go to Account Security, choose Delete Account, type Delete, and confirm. Follow those on-screen prompts, and your Whop account deletion will be completed. Thanks for watching, and take care.